Okay, number 4. The central angle AOD is 125 degrees. Find the measures of angle DCA and DBA. This is already the combination of the concept of central angle and the angles formed from a quadrilateral inside the circle. Do you remember the concept in number 1?
Yes.
I mean, in the question a while ago,
Number 3.
before we started the discussion, you were asking for something number 5. Remember number 5? I discussed a very important idea. The opposite angles are always supplementary or the sum is 180. So we might be using that, but we'll see. So what we know from here is that the central angle is 125. So that's 125. So we want to find DCA. So that's the angle here. So you can refer to your paper. You have a copy there. So what is DCA? Using concept that we learned in number 5. Wait, this is central. We have to... it has to be like this. So I think that's a different idea. Okay, this is central. So it has to be... all the points should be on the circle, but it's not on the circle. So we have to find another way. So how? What we know is that it's 125. It is somehow a trick question. Look at this. This angle has the same arc as the angle opposite of 125. See that? It's not too obvious because before you're very used to see like something like this. If we know the central angle is 20, for example, we know this is 10. What happened in number 4 is that these sides were put in this way. So it's not too obvious. So how can we identify the angle here? It's still the same thing. Divided by 2. Okay, so we need to know what is the measure of this. But we only know 125. Is there a way that we can find the measure of this angle? Is there a way? Yes. You subtract it from 360. What will we get if we subtract it from 360? 235. With that, remember, the inscribed is always half the central angle. You can always do that if the endpoints of the segments are the same. So they're the same. So 235 divided by 2, that would be, did someone get that? What's up? 117.5. So that is the answer for DCA. 117.5, proper unit, degrees. Now what about DBA? What about DBA? Why is it the same? The arcs are the same, right? So even if I move the B like to the C, as long as the arcs are the same, then you will get the same angle. So DBA is also 117.5 degrees. So there are many concepts combined here in number 4. The idea of the central angle and the one whenever we have two angles with the same arc, they always have the same measure. Can we move now to the next? Are we good with number 4? Okay.